The Ministry of Health has confirmed that no new cases of monkeypox have been reported in the country following the initial case in Taita Taveta. The ministry is actively monitoring close contacts of the infected long-distance driver at his workplace, the hospital he was admitted, and his travel routes. In a statement released today, the ministry outlined its comprehensive response measures. These include enhanced surveillance in the counties of Busia, Mombasa Highway to Taveta Road, improved cross-border communication and public awareness campaigns. Furthermore, the ministry is collaborating with county government authorities and other relevant stakeholders to implement all necessary interventions to prevent further outbreaks of the mpox disease. The public is urged to stay vigilant and adhere to health guidelines.